Functions and graphs, quadratic functions and applications. The objectives of this lesson, you will be able to constructing the graphs of quadratic functions. Quadratic functions and applications, how we can find quadratic functions. The function whose rule is given by quadratic polynomial, such that we have three examples. F equal x squared, gx equal 3x squared minus 30x plus 67, and hx is equal minus x squared plus 4x. What's the relation between all this equation? The degree of all x here, the greater degree here, it will be 2. A quadratic function is a function whose rule can be written like this form: ax squared plus bx plus c. But we need to have a, b, c is constant, but with a not equal to 0. In that example, we need to focus to how to graph the quadratic functions. To graph quadratic functions, the general idea for that, we need to choose several numbers like negative, positive, 0 for x. To find the value of function at this number. Now, after that, plot the corresponding point, then connect all these points by smooth curve to find the graph for that function. How we can do that? Now we're gonna graph the quadratic function. What is the graph for quadratic function? First of all, we have three different examples for that. The first example, it will be if x equal x squared. Second example is gx equal 4x squared. The third one, it will be minus 2x squared. So now we can put different values for x to get f of x. For example, first one, x equal 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, and substitute all these values in that equation to get, for example, if I put x by 0, we get 0, 0 squared, it will be 0, 1 squared, it will be 1, minus 1 squared, it will be 1, because if we have minus and the power is even number, so the sign, it will be positive. 2 squared, it will be 4, and so on. Then after that, we have different pairs here. The first pair, it will be minus 2, 4. Second pair, minus 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. After that, we put that pairs in that graph and connect all this pair together to get this graph. The same as here, we put different values for x. You can choose any values, but the best values for x always, it will be 0, 1, 2, and minus 1, minus 2. That's the best one. So after that, we did here, we will do here as same as example 1, substitute x in that equation to get gx. After that, we have different pairs, and we can connect all we put the pairs in that graph. After that, we connect all pairs to get the equation. The same as here, we put different values for x, substitute that in that equation. For example, if I put 2 times 2 squared, it will be minus 8, because we have minus here. So the same as here also, we put that pairs here and connect all them to get the graph for that function. Thank you for listening.